I am Richard Rash, and today I want to talk about a subject that's crucial for homeowners, realtors, and anyone dealing with property: foundation repair. More specifically, I'll be diving into what you'll find in my book, Foundation Repair, the book, and how it can help you navigate the complex world of foundation issues without falling victim to scams. In my book, I cover various foundation types, including slab foundations, pier and beam foundations, and basement foundations. Understanding these different types is essential because each comes with its own set of challenges and repair considerations. We'll explore the common causes of foundation damage across the United States. Whether it's expansive soils, poor construction practices, or environmental factors, knowing the root causes helps in prevention and timely intervention. One of the most critical sections in the book addresses how to deal with unscrupulous foundation repair contractors. I provide insights into spotting scams, understanding diverse repair recommendations, and ensuring you get reliable help when you need it most. Timely intervention is key. We'll discuss how to recognize serious foundation damage versus superficial issues, empowering you to take proactive steps before problems escalate. I highlight the pitfalls of foundation repair, such as plumbing leaks and construction oversights that contribute to movement. Plus, I offer practical precautions to minimize these risks in future construction projects. Before committing to repairs, consider consulting an unbiased industry professional. I can provide an objective assessment and guide you through the maze of repair options, ensuring you make informed decisions with confidence. From plumbing leaks to structural cracks, we'll cover the most common issues faced by homeowners and realtors. I'll also share effective repair methods and insights into reasonable costs, helping you avoid overpriced solutions. Lastly, my book delves into crucial topics like licensing and oversight, elevation measurements, the impact of expansive soils, and sales practices within the industry. Understanding these factors is vital for protecting your investment and making sound decisions. Thank you for joining me today. Foundation Repair. The book is not just about understanding foundations. It's about empowering you to safeguard your home and investments. Whether you're buying, selling, or simply maintaining a property, knowledge is your best defense against costly mistakes. Read the book, avoid the scams, take control of your foundation's future. You may find the book online at Amazon and Barnes & Noble in hardcover, softcover, or ebook. Or you may visit my website at www.repairfoundations.com or contact me directly by phone or